In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive lists to clean up your boards in Trello. Whether you're managing multiple projects or just need to declutter your visual workspace, archiving lists can be a simple yet effective way to maintain organization and ensure your boards remain concise and focused. So, let's get started with this straightforward process. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific board where you need to archive one or more lists. Simply open your Trello account and find the board you want to work on. This will typically be found on your dashboard if it's a board you frequently use, or you may need to search for it if it's less common. Once on your desired board, you can start identifying any lists that no longer serve an immediate purpose and are ready to be archived. When you've found the list you want to archive, look for the three dots menu icon associated with that list. This icon is a key feature in Trello as it gives you access to a variety of options tailored to that specific list. It's usually located at the top right corner of the list, so go ahead and click on it to pull up a drop-down menu with more options. Once the options are displayed, you should see an option labeled Archive this list. Selecting this will initiate the archiving process. Archiving in Trello is an excellent way to keep your work environment tidy without permanently deleting your lists, as archived lists can be retrieved if needed later on. By clicking on Archive this list, you effectively remove the list from view, helping streamline and simplify your current board setup. This process doesn't delete the list permanently, so rest assured that the list and all of its contents are safely stored in your Trello account. If you need to retrieve any archived lists, you can do so by navigating to the Archived Items section in Trello and choosing which list you'd like to unarchive. Archiving lists is a highly efficient method for keeping your boards clean and manageable. Whether a project has been completed or certain tasks are no longer necessary, taking the time to archive can help you focus on what's truly important. Keep your boards organized and uncluttered, allowing you and your team to work more efficiently. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've learned how to archive lists on your Trello boards. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Be sure to remember this technique as you continue organizing your projects. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.